Guys, it's been very long time since I last updated you about this my side hustle. So yesterday we managed to receive a parcel for my customers who had placed the orders, and since I was doing nothing, I decided that let me just go home and I do an unboxing video with you guys so that you can see. So this was the parcel and I was cutting up, unwrapping, as you can see. So if you know me very well, guys, you know that I do online resale and I do sell these smartwatches and other smartphones, iPhones, everything, gadgets. So these are the S8 Ultra smartwatches, and they came along with the small AirPods or headphones, as you can call them. So these watches, they are smartwatches and can do a lot of things. In the box, here comes two user manuals. This is the watch itself. This is how it looks, and this is its headphones that it comes with. Yeah, they light blue when they are charged and they light red when they are not charged. So these are the straps. This time around we got only the black, we got them in black and blue, and this is the wireless charging. So I'd like to also take this opportunity to thank whoever who has supported us, guys, from the website and through the WhatsApp. You might use the WhatsApp link above if you like to view my catalog or even have any queries or questions that you like to ask me. This is the display. It's a touch screen display, and this is the dial pad if you like to make or receive any calls on it. Yeah, the watch also measures blood pressure, as you can see, and these are the settings. It has got different settings with different languages. Yeah, this is the manual for monitoring fitness, and this is where you can change your music from. This is the calendar, and it has very nice widgets with, yeah, very nice widgets, as you can see. Thank you guys for everything.